it was carried. Upon completion of this, we regained control of it and started that process all over again. But I want to point out this one piece that's straight across from us. You see that little small piece right across from us there? Right there? That is a crew access arm for the space launch system. We're going to see another piece which is much bigger, the same format, but it was for the shuttle. I just want to point that out. So that's what the individual is going to be walking across, getting into the shuttle Orion capsule and making his way on into space. Now, these doors here that you see are the largest doors in the world, 456 feet. You know it takes 45 minutes for these doors to open up completely?
Wow.
But once they're open, we could easily slide the Statue of Liberty through these doors and still have 150 feet to go in height.
That's cool.
Now, as we continue, the question was, what is this gravel path here? Well, it is called a crawlerway. How did they establish this? Well, they dug down 7 feet to use the upper level of the field, and of course, they chose Tennessee River rock, which they got from Georgia because it's round, it's smooth, it acts like ball bearings, and it kind of cushions around of the crawler transporter, and it does not spark from all the heavy weight. So easily now, as you see, we're right in the middle of it, and it is the width of an 8-lane highway. Of course, now continuing, what do we have in front of us? A water basin, which is called a turning basin. Now we have a covered barge in Louisiana that is being modified with an addition of 50 feet to bring in those bigger and longer pieces that we can't use by road or air. It's going to come in by barge. And the barge itself is named Pegasus. As we make the turn, you can see some bleachers that are staged here for the individuals to see the launch. And then of course the buildings up ahead there on the left, this is where the press will be, and they will be covering the launch from the beginning to the end. As we continue to make our way forward, that one word, the abort system. Well, what we have is a white rocket on the red trailer up ahead here. Same scenario with the Mercury Redstone. If something went wrong, this rocket here would fire, snatching that Orion capsule completely off the rocket, well, not the rocket, but the space launch system, that's the name of it. And eventually, it'll take it several miles away, and then eventually parachute down to safety.